This is a vlog.
No.
This is a vlog.
Such a terrible reference.
If you know, you know.
3 people get it.
3 people get that reference. Anyway, guys, I'm here with Ben. And we have printed off, well, I've printed off. Fucking useless. Right, I've printed off. Oh, shit. Right, the vlog is back. Wait, I think.
Yeah.
No, we don't have to restart. Right, I've printed off the new script for my new film, Ace's Table. Right, and I'm here with Ben, and we're gonna go through it. We're gonna rinse the shit out of it, and see how much money it will cost. If the jokes are fucking funny or not. If the actual storyline is funny. If we should scrap it all together. I hope not, but it is a possibility. And people have already said that they like the idea from my last video, so hopefully we can sort something out. We need to annotate the shit out of it, so you'll be seeing this in this video.
He's not involved in the game though. He's not like saying stuff, is he?
No.
He's just saying like.
Well, he is.
Oh,
He is. After every round, he says a little remark. He stops walking and faces the contestants. Right, he like walks around the table.
Yeah.
And he wants to announce the rules of the game. He brings out 4 revolvers from behind his back. Right, and obviously camera tricks. We can just like put him in a position. Revolver behind. Cut the camera. Next angle. We give him another revolver. And you know what I mean? He holds up a custom deck of cards. Here are the rules. There is a total of 20 cards in the deck, consisting of 6 aces, 6 kings, 6 queens, and 2 jokers.
Gotta get a custom deck of cards.
Yeah. That's difficult.
There's no way it is.
That's difficult, I think.
Do you reckon? There's got to be someone who does that.
Okay.
Or does like custom things.
Right. The front end of it, where it says like 2 of hearts or something like that, right? Let's say like it's the ace of spades actually.
Yeah.
That won't be custom. I don't think that'll be hard to do. But the back of it, that normally has a pattern. We could make a pattern there and do it and buy it. I think that's how it works.
I think you can adjust both of them.
Anyone who is like an artist or can draw, I might actually try and do it myself.
No.
No, I think I might. I think I might see what I can do.
You might as well see how much it is to get it like actually done.
Yeah.
And if it's possible. Because maybe we can get a front design.
Might hire someone from 5 or something.
We can get a front design.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
That would be sick.
It's like, ooh, nice.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
Like a major, that'd be sick. Ace's Table,
Major.
custom card.
And then we can sell them off. 1 of 1.
1 of 1. Wow.
Not
Like,
giving it
who's
away.
going to buy?
Oh,
Who's
yeah.
going to buy the 1 of 1 thing? Sign up with your email. and then we have a good marketing source. We have everyone's email, so we can send them emails every single time.
Oh, yeah.
Being like, guys, Ace's Table is out. Come watch.
Yeah, we
And
have to
then
make
you
a website.
pay, pay £2. Like, nothing can start with that deck of cards.
That is a deal. 4
Oh, 4 revolvers. I forgot about that. 4 revolvers is also a cost.
Right. My sheet is going to be all the costs.
He goes around the table dealing the cards to each contestant. Each like he's doing something while explaining. He's not just standing there doing it.
Yeah.
Each player gets 5 cards. Each player gets 5 cards each at random. That might need a change.
Each player gets 5
Cards
Yes.
each. That might need a change.
No, that makes sense. Each player gets 5 cards.
5 cards at random. Each player gets 5 cards at random.
Have you been writing like your camp shots?
No,
Oh.
I probably should do. Shouldn't I?
Or just like the key ones, I thought.
Yeah.
Like The ones where you know you want that.
Yeah. I'll do that in the shot list.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Now,
That's a big lie.
this is why he's got 4 minutes 30 seconds of speaking time.
You need someone good.
Yes. Someone really good. We need someone really good to play the dealer. Just a bit. Someone
They
out
actually
there.
have to know their lies.
Someone out there. It has to be a boy. Like an 18-year-old man, a guy.
That's such a long
Or like any 20s, in the 20s.
Does it?
Yeah, any
age.
Any age really.
Just not something that looks
not young. As long as you look like an adult. They need to play a lovely, fun, family game of Russian roulette. Hence the revolvers with 1 bullet in each chamber. That is in front of you. Fuck! Hence the revolvers with 1 bullet in the chamber that is in front of you. However, if you weren't lying, the person who falsely accused you of being a liar has to play the lovely fun family game of Russian roulette. I want it to be a bit zesty as well. Or I'll have
Yeah, I like that.
my handsome bodyguard over there shoot you. You know? A bit posh, bit gay. Bit, what's it called? Camp. Yeah, camp. Roger looks over to the bodyguard. By the... What, camp?
Yeah.
Of course he can. Roger looks over at the bodyguard by the door and notices he has an assault rifle.
Mm.
You're not going to put that as a cost.
No, because I'm actually thinking, yeah.
No.
That's one shot. Surely someone has like a fucking gun that we can paint black or something, or just a black gun. Like, does
Guess
he
what?
not have like an airsoft gun?
Guess what? Henry has an airsoft gun.
Yes.
He has an assault rifle.
Not a cost.
Yeah, not a cost. You are playing for your freedom, as you have all been locked up for the past 10 years. So they are criminals.
Are they getting out anytime soon? I'm guessing they're not getting
No.
out anytime soon.
No. So, no, they're all life prison.
Oh,
No, but maybe I should say that.
you probably should. It sounds like they're going to be like, they'll
Past
get
10
released in
years.
5 years.
Yeah. And the dearer. Fuck! Spelling mistake, man. Fuck's sake.
The dearer.
The dearer.
It's alright.
On that note, let the lovely, fun family game begin. That's going to
It
be
doesn't really say how you win. It doesn't. Does it? Did it say that? Is you the last person?
Oh shit.
I feel like that might have to be said.
Yeah.
Because that just sounds
Last
like,
person.
oh, just get through this round and you can see later.
Oh, I thought I said that.
It's not a long line though, is it?
Yeah,
It's just
you play until all of you are dead. I
Yeah,
thought I said that.
last man standing. Or last.
God, I didn't say that, did I? We're only on page 4, and we've been going for quite a long time. So obviously I'm not going to record the whole thing because it will be like a 2-hour video. But this. But like,
2 annotations.
yeah, I made a few annotations, especially on this page. And Ben on his one has got the costs. And there's not.
We're looking
there's
good
not,
right now.
There's not very many costs. As I said, we can use resources that we have already.
We'll just,
So like location, I can use my mum's cousin, convince him to make us let us use it.
Anyway.
Actors could be a cost,
Yeah,
but
it's not
that comes at a second thing. We're not going to put that on the script. There's guns, so like the revolvers that they have around the table are going to be a cost, right? But the assault rifle that the bodyguard has is going to cost because my brother has an airsoft gun that we can paint or anything to make it look really real. So
Take a card.
yeah, so we're going to continue to do it. I'll catch up with you lot later. Okay, so it is now the next day, or now it's another day with the script with me. Right, you are not allowed to look in there anymore because I've looked back at the clips and I've been spoiling it all. God, me and Ben went through the whole script from start to finish. Right, from page 1 to all the way down to page 26. Went through the whole paper, and on Ben's sheet of paper we wrote down all the costs associated with the film. So the location, like the pub table that they're going to be playing on. We're going to have a custom deck of cards that they play with. Obviously cast is going to be a cost. The location's going to be a cost. The equipment and everything. So all on Ben's sheet of paper, we did all the costs associated with, and on my sheet of paper was all the technical stuff. So like, it's like camera angles, the way things like spelling mistakes, rewrite some of it, add some more things to the script. But if you can see here, it says, and the last person alive wins. And that's going, I'm going to have to add that to the actual script because I didn't actually explain how to win the game. And I thought I did, but I didn't. So that is why, like, filmmaker to filmmaker, that is why it's so important to go through your script with other people, preferably someone that's involved in what you do, and go through it all, because you'll catch mistakes like that. And it'll make it so much better, because one person reading it, you get bored of it. You zone out of your own script and stuff like that. So other people are gonna know and like think like an audience member, because it's your baby, it's your project, and you know everything inside your head, right? And you know how to do it. So just explain that to someone else, make them read the script and be like, oh, you said this, you wanted that. But you didn't actually portray that in your script, and now it's going to be so much better. Oh, I actually need to announce on social media that Ace's Table, like Major, is making a new film called Ace's Table, and I'm just trying to figure out how to do it. Do I just do a short little thing about like all the paper on the desk with all writing on it, and then I like put it down and it shows Ace's Table on the thing. I'm actually going to test that out now. Let's have a look. So like, let's say like all the paper's all messy on the desk, and then I'm like writing stuff on it. I'm like teasing some bits of the script and stuff like that, and then I put it all together and I put it on the ground. Ace's Table.